Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to write words on a whiteboard. So first off, you're going to need to watch my How to Write on a Whiteboard video to find out how to write on a whiteboard. And you're also going to need to know how to read in order to know what you're writing. But anyway, you can just start by writing any one of the letters. There's 26 of them. Now, say I want to write the letter I first. I can do this here. The I is made out of 3 lines, one at the top, one going down, and one at the bottom. Then, maybe I want to draw a B. The B, at least the capital one, has a line on the side, and then 2 semicircles. Then, maybe I want to draw an H. The capital H has a line on the left and a line on the right, and then a line in the middle connecting them. It's kind of like the I. Then, maybe you want to draw another word, say is. You can do the lowercase I, which is just a line going down from half height and a dot, and the S, which is 2 semicircles from half height to quarter height and quarter height to 0 height. Then you can do another space where you don't write anything and start again with here. So you do a line on the left and then a semicircle. The E is a line at quarter height, then a semicircle connecting them, and kind of like just continue the trail down here. The R line from half height to 0 height, then you go back up again, but at like 3/8 height you start curving and do a line this way. And the E, you already know how to do because I just told you. Then you can start drawing the rest of the sentence. All the words are drawn differently. I suggest you independently learn and don't misspell stuff like I just did. And you can just keep writing letters, words. Make sure to separate your words by space marks. And you can write sentences on the board. You can write about whatever you want. Anyway, if you learned a lot from this video, make sure to like and subscribe. To see me next time. Bye.